Hello there, it's me, your pal. I got a little message saying that I should clean my lens. Hello there, it's me, your pal Karl Welshman in the kitchen today. And we're going to try something a little different. Now, if you're like me, you're a little bit partial to fridge raiders. You know, that little chickeny snack. Just have a little bit of chicken sometimes. You know, you get up in the morning making a cup of tea, get a little bit of wet chicken chunk and just pop it on your mouth, have a little chew, and then a little bit later on you gotta go and get something out the fridge, you know, for the wife or for the kids, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna have some fucking chicken, a little bit of fucking chicken, bit of fridge raider. And you've probably been thinking, I wonder what these things would be like if we just gave them a little bit of a fry. Just put them in a frying pan, little bit of oil, and cooked them off. Well, that's exactly what I'm about to do. Let's get some fucking fridge raiders from the old fridge into a warm pan of oil, cook them off, and have a taste. I might even keep one or two out of the pan so that I can compare them and let you know what the difference is. There they are, the fridge raiders, slow roasted chicken bites made with 100% real chicken breast. Beautiful shadows they're casting, like little fucking Stonehenge. Built a little Stonehenge here. There you go, welcome to Stonehenge. Little Stonehenge. You put another Stonehenge by here. Stonehenge made with fridge raiders, but this one on the top here, that's a special one. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bloody vandals. I reckon the oil should be hot enough now, so I'm going to cook. Let's cook 4 of them. Let's cook 4 of these. Let's put 4 of these in the pan. 4 of them. I'm a fucking liar. Actually browned off quite nicely. Smells good. I reckon we might have a slightly crispy outside and a really soft centre. That's what I'm predicting. What do you guys think?
Fuck you, Karl. Why would you cook our family like that? Why would you cook them?
I'm gonna get these bad boys out and have a little taste. This is exciting, very exciting. So we've got our 2 uncooked fridge raiders here, and then we've got our cooked ones, and we've got a little crispy exterior. And cut this open and see what we've got going on. It's gone all kind of bubbly. I'm going to cut one of the uncooked ones so that we can compare and contrast. Spongy. A little softer. And now for the all-important taste test. I'm going to go with the uncooked one first. Cold, a little moist, chickeny taste. Cooked one, a little bit more juicy, but it still actually held the texture. I actually thought it was going to go all soft, but it held its texture. It held. It's actually there's a little more texture to it. Oh, that one was very soft. Tastes quite nice though. Juicy. If you've got friends round and you want to offer them something quite fancy as a little treat, fry off some of these fridge raiders. Beautiful. Left myself with an uncooked chunk for dessert. Disappointing end to that video. Cooked fridge raiders, slow roast chicken bites made with 100% real chicken breast, fried. Well, get yourself a nice 7 out of 10. Lovely.